Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another video from Crypto Bubble Club. Welcome to this video where today we're going to be talking about Kodak, the camera company. By the way, they have, yes, this is the announcement, postponed the Kodak Coin ICO. Future is blurred. Now, Kodak, as you guys know, just a couple weeks back have announced that they're going to get into the ICO bubble. The ICO, they're going to get into cryptocurrency, guys. God, jeebus. So, the much-hyped $20 million Kodak Coin ICO was supposed to debut on the 31st of January. Instead, the iconic brand announced the night before the launch they needed at least several more weeks to get to know their customers better as they enter the accredited investor verification phase, leaving the 40,000 plus potential buyers who wants to dip in the Kodak's photo-centric cryptocurrency waiting. Skittish investors fled, and the stock tumbled 13% after gaining 200+% when they announced that they're going to get into the cryptocurrency world. So I kind of brought up the chart over here. You guys can see this. When they announced it around January 8th, they went up heavy, you guys. Boom, look at that. From $3 to $10. Then we're playing around. I mean, obviously, this is a little bit of pushback, going up even higher. And as soon as they announced it, you guys, boom. Look at that drop. That's huge. So, people lost a lot of money right there. Thanks a lot, Kodak, for that. The delay comes in a heel of a couple of critical reports, most notably from the New York Times, questioning the vetting practices of the nostalgic brand. The Times suggests that Kodak's push into cryptocurrencies, for which it's betting for a comeback, is one fronted with questionable decisions. Most notably is business partners, including a paparazzi photo agency, a penny stock promoter, and a company offering what has been called a magic money-making machine. Wow, okay. There was something over here that I saw. Oh, right over here. So this is the part that really got me interested, right? I'm like, what are you guys doing? The Kodak Coin ICO is targeting accredited investors across the United States, Canada, and the UK, as per early reports. Meanwhile, the lead advisor that Kodak engaged for the blockchain project is sure to arise some more red flags amongst regulators. Cameron Schell was banned from Albert's stock exchange for half a decade in the late 90s and fined $25,000 for rules violations. Prior to that, one of Mr. Schell's companies closed its doors amid fraud allegations tied to its chairman. Not the first impression Kodak wants to leave for regulators or the investors for that matter. I agree with you, my man. This is the individual who wrote this article. I can't pronounce. Where is it? I just saw the name. Right over here. This is the author. Can't pronounce the name. Geraldine Tarzo. Sorry if I butchered that name, but that's interesting. Okay, to know that Kodak, the people that they're having kind of back them up right now are not exactly notable. It's kind of very questionable. For the publicly traded company, you can see that obviously when they talked about cryptocurrency, they went up dramatically. The moment something happened, the cryptocurrency FUD, the FOMA, it kind of transferred over to the stock market and it completely just shattered, plummeted. Now, not going back to what it was before, not going back to the $3 mark, but it is going down to the $7 mark, 7.9 cents. I personally, guys, I'm not going to feel comfortable investing into Kodak, the company, or even the ICO. There are people that are hyped about Kodak and all that other jazz, which is totally dope. Go ahead and read what their ICO is all about, see if they actually have some real potential or not, but I just don't see it. I really don't, okay? I'm going to stay away from Kodak. I mean, maybe, maybe when more comes out and they're releasing new, things of what they're doing and their endeavors, we might change our opinion. But as of right now, I'm going to say this is not a get into coin. There are people interested. That's perfectly okay again, but not for me. And yeah, that's pretty much that. I was surprised that they would announce that yesterday that, oh, hey guys, I know we're supposed to come out tomorrow with an ICO, but we can't do that. Sorry. Wow, last minute much? I mean, they must have known, right? They must have known that they wouldn't have enough time or whatever. So that pretty much sums up the whole story, guys. Thank you so much for listening. I don't know. Let me know if you guys are going to get involved with Kodak's ICO, or even if you're going to invest into Kodak, the stock, to see if they're going to bounce back. Have a wonderful day, guys. Leave a like down below, as it does really help us. And go ahead and hit that sub button. Love you all so much, and don't lose your money. Bye, guys.